Really cool shelter. I don't think we've ever been to this one. It's a pretty deep shelter too. Wow. That's wild. That's a pretty nice shelter. Off the beaten path. It's crazy. Deep shelter. Pretty deep. Pretty cool. All right, folks, really cool area here. It's just on the map, it looks like it goes back a little way and then turns and stops. So I'm kind of wondering if there's a nice little waterfall at the end of it. And we put this down on our list to visit again when it's really wet, just in case there's waterfalls worth seeing, because we've seen quite a few spots that look like there'd be great waterfalls, aside from Bork Falls. That's interesting. Gotta look around for copperhead. They like little things like this. Alright, folks, here's me on top of a waterfall. This would be a nice waterfall. We're definitely gonna have to come back through here. Check this place out. Check out that rock. It's pretty wild. Doing some creek walking back towards the trail. Explored some bluffage, now exploring some creek. Just a really good hike when you can do both of that. Big rocks, little rocks. Little Rock, Arkansas. All sorts of water erosion. Always looking for fossils. Just cool rocks in general. We're rock hounders, you know. I used to not be till I met. Oh, look at that one.
Oh, that's pretty. I claim that one. I'm just gonna stay here.
Okay. I'll let you have it on the weekends.
It's not all the time.
So we kind of went off track. But, you know, the bluffage kind of lured us in, so. But we'll get to the trail again. We'll see what we do from there. There could be more bluffage that catches our attention. I can't promise anything. I'm the bluffage guy.
We haven't seen much bluffage in a while.
No, it's been lack of bluffage, so it's been kind of nice. Alrighty, folks, got a turtle just hanging out in the creek at a swimming hole. Probably getting him a drink or just getting wet. So there you go. Pretty cool. And look at that. Alright, folks. Got another turtle. Turtle number 2. He's kind of frozen time.
Look at his crinkly little back leg.
Yeah. Little leg. Big leg. Alrighty, folks. We are back on track on the River Trail. heading towards Bork.
Head towards where?
Cedar Bluff, not Bork. Leaving Bork. It's pretty.
Mm-hmm. So you get them all stuck in the can.
Yeah.
And you have to use the vacuum cleaner to get them out.
True.